crappy ship. Amanda like just came up with this, so I'll try it. It works. You like hold your mouth like this and put it to your left. Get ready for a burp, and then you move it to the right, and it like helps you burp. It's cool. Oh, by the way, if you can't burp, boo-hoo you. That hurt. It smells like the chapstick. I'm like. Let's go play. It's like a party. Okay, we're gonna do a few more burps and then go. Okay.
That looks scary.
Oh, by the way, if you're trying to burp like this, the key is to just try to burp and open your mouth, and it works.
Alright,
Okay, if you want to know how to burp, I'll show you. You have to like open your mouth and try to like breathe in, or you can just like swallow stuff and then like breathe in really hard, like
and like burp and go
like out. Like try to get an air bubble in here and like breathe in, and then all you gotta do is breathe out. That's how like I burp. It's kind of confusing though. So, I mean, another way is just get an air bubble in here and then breathe out for like this, or like stuff like that. But the ones that I do, I just showed you, like breathe in really hard and stuff. Okay. Alright, one more burp each, and then, like, we're going to say bye in our burp, okay? Because this is our last one, so. Bye!